How to use the AliExpress mobile app. Welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To begin with, tap open your AliExpress application in your mobile device. You can easily purchase via your Play Store or App Store. Once you are in here, to purchase an item, just click on the product. Then at the bottom, you should see the option of Buy Now. Click on it. Then select on the quantity, length, and color. Select on Continue. Now in here, make sure to add a payment method. If you have promo code, you can type in the promo code in the promo code bar. If your codes are valid, you will also receive some of the discount and benefit out of it. Once done, just tap on Place Order. By this way, you'll be able to purchase an item off your AliExpress account. If you want to change any of the account settings, tap on the account icon and select on the Setting Gear icon. From here, you can change your profile name or even the currency, your delivery address, language, notification settings, and more. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.